Hello guys, I'm in another trade. Today is the 24th of April. I haven't taken a trade in a while, and today I didn't have work, so I was here pretty much all day. Well, not all day, but during AM, and now I am here in PM. And in AM, it was a massive sell-off, which I was expecting. I was expecting price to come back down into this area here, since on the daily there was a nice area of buy side here and a massive gap that I wanted to see price come into, right? So equal highs and a massive gap, double whammy. Wanted to see price come up into there. Ideally, actually, I wanted to see it happen in yesterday's PM, but it never actually happened. It just sort of fucked about a little bit, and then this morning during Asian, we took that high, we came down, we came up, does some bullshit here. We made some SMT with Nasdaq, and then price started moving lower, and I was anticipating it to come down into here, but I didn't really get a setup of mine, so I didn't end up taking any trades. I was just sort of watching this go in my direction without me actually being in it, and it was quite painful, but that is just part of being a trader, I suppose. Now, PM has occurred. Right, price has come up, it surged up, and it came back down. We've shown support down here. Price pushing back up, wanting to get past, because I'm seeing an area of buy side here, an area of buy side here, and obviously the daily gap above. So I still want to see price go up. We're now currently in power hour. Just at 8 o'clock, price came back down. Sort of looking for that last bit of liquidity before we start moving in the opposite direction. Right at 8 o'clock. So price is aligning with time. And then price is pushed up a little bit. Going on the 15, we have got this massive box here, which was my hourly gap, which I am seeing price hold on it slightly on the M15 right here. And yeah, so I'm bullish. I want to see price get up to here. I do think it'll go further, but obviously my TP is here. And on the 4 hourly, huge wicks. We're keeping that as 4 hour gap. So, oh sorry, it wasn't an hourly gap. It was the 4 hour. Yeah, sorry, 4 hour gap. Yeah, these huge wicks, very much indicating that price does not want to go down. And yeah, that is my bias at the moment. We shall see how this trade plays out. Win or loss, we're just following the strategy. It doesn't matter what the outcome is. And yeah. We're really close now. Just see that little push. We're in for 35 ticks at a minute. Don't want to see price lose momentum here. Right there is exactly where that fair value gap closes, that M15 one. That's not where I want to see price slow down. I want to see it really just give it a little surge, get past this area and take TP. Here we are now. Literally one more tick, one more handle, come on. Just the one. 5 minute is losing momentum here. It's not ideal, especially because we were literally one tick away from TP. We'll give it a minute though. Hopefully we can bounce off this gap here, move up, take out this high, and then carry on going up, take out this area of liquidity and this one here. I am confident. I know some of you are thinking, oh, it's just one tick, but it's part of the plan. Closing early will sort of ruin your edge on your strategy. You just got to follow it to the T. I know it's only one tick and it's painful, but sometimes it's like that. Yes, I did close a trade. Completely just breaking my rules. But when it's a tick away, and I've gone through, I was waiting for all of this. I don't know if you could tell, but I was switching through a lot of things, causing a lot of pain. My mind was going through many different emotions. Yeah, I fucking closed it. I know I shouldn't have, and it will probably go up to TP. But my mind is clear now that I've closed it. Oh my god, I was going through loads of emotions. It doesn't happen often, the one tick. And it felt like, I don't know, the whole thing was against me. But my idea is right. I do think it's still going to come up to here and here. Whether that be tonight or tomorrow, I don't know. It is also nearly 9 o'clock, which is near towards the end of my session. I didn't really want to risk price coming all the way back down here and then going through that pain of waiting or anticipating or waiting for it to come back up. And during Asian, it doesn't come up. I wasn't really willing to stick through that. So I did close it, yeah. And price will probably end up hitting my TP, but that's the game we play. This shit happens. And it'll be one to write down in the books, a note for next time. So it was a small win, somewhere around here. And yeah, not following my rules. So not the greatest, but I said I'd be transparent, and that's me being transparent. I'm only human, don't hate me too much. But my next one will be better, I promise, and I'll learn from this moving forward. Thank you guys for watching. About to hit TP, there we go. If only I would have held. I'm joking. It is what it is. It is what it is. Move on to the next. I learn from my mistakes, and yeah, peace.